XRP holders, a lot of people just got liquidated, bunch of money dead. It got so spicy in the last 1 hour. Everybody's watching, and I'm here to tell you what just happened. First thing, it's all gonna be fine. I know it's hard to say for some. You don't want to hear that. You want to see the blood on the streets. PPI out. We got the CPI on Tuesday, right? And it's like, okay, fine. It's the same. People are bullish. There's going to be a cut. But 2 days later, PPI comes above expectations. Now the Fed is put in a difficult position. People are saying, don't cut, don't cut. But if Fed Chair Jerome Powell, if he does not cut, it's not gonna get so exciting. And there's a lot going on. I see some commentators on X saying, who will Trump fire next? Because you know what happened at the BLS, and he fired the head. And people are saying, because I'm going to show you a bunch of things right now. And as you can tell right now, the price is coming down to 3.08 per XRP. We went from 330 per XRP right here. Look at this. Right here. 330. And it's like people knew or something. It's like people were tipped-off or something. I don't know. But they were watching this and they're like, okay, let me sell. And immediately when the numbers came, boom. And a lot of people got demolished. $420 million liquidated in 20 minutes. $100 billion. $400 million. $100 billion gone in 24 hours. That's a lot of money, everybody. Breaking US PPI numbers are out and they're higher than expected. Headline PPI year over year is 3.3%, expected 2.5%, previous 2.3%. Core PPI year over year 3.7%, expected 2.7%, previous 2.5%. These could be those tariffs that Jerome Powell was waiting for. Now, Benjamin Cohen has a great take on this. Let me show you right now. Someone is going to be fired. So 41 or like an hour or so, we got the news, fam, and obviously it's not what people wanted to hear. It's not what a lot of people wanted to see. It's not what people wanted to finally break. If I refresh this, guys, it was 94. Yesterday was 99%. So wonder if the CME is going to have a different take with the numbers. I think it's too early to call. I think it's just really, 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 really too early for many, many different things, because this basically showcases that people are not thinking, I think he's not going to cut. Okay? So I want to go ahead and elaborate more, guys. Drop a like, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. And I have good news. In the midst of things changing really fast, welcome to crypto, guys, right? We get the news and we tell them, and this is what it is, right? So I know crypto and XRP, they got nuked. I know it's difficult for some because they're like, dude, I mean, I just bought a 330 yesterday. I thought it was going to go higher, or I bought a 320 or so. I look at the price. Like I just said at the very top, it's all going to be fine, but we have to go through this. And I posted, fam, I am not selling, right? Just a reminder, I'm still holding the line. But I have good news, guys. If you are holding and buying crypto XRP on BTCC, boom. I talked to my people and I told you during the live, and I told you before, here it is. 2,000 XRP for one winner. For you guys, you all can apply, you all can participate. Everybody's welcome to do so, because at the end of the month, you're gonna have a chance to get that big prize. It's a lot of money, guys. 2,000 XRP at $3 each. It's a lot of money. So I want you to win it. Oscar Ramos and BTCC, we invite you. All you have to do is click the first link down below and sign up on BTCC. Deposit. Come, make your account with my link. Use my links to participate in this when you have to be one of my affiliates. If you're already one of my affiliates, you are already in. You are already participating, right? So start trading, start making money, start buying, start doing all of that. By the end of August, and you're gonna get a chance. I'm doing this. BTCC replied, and they're like, let's go. So you're gonna get your money shortly after, and you have from today all the way till the end. You have more than 2 weeks. So enjoy, take your time. It's just an incentive. I know things are hard, but honestly, guys, this is a great opportunity because you're buying a much cheaper price, and you can make more money, right? So I'm analyzing. I have $1,000 ready to invest actually, and I'm just actually watching the market because I also want to make money. Like I can start along right now, but since everything is very very tricky, I just obviously don't want to get liquidated, right? That's if I want to come into the longs market. So I'm just explaining, my thinking and giving you a chance for you to come in because this is only applies for me and my link. So if you're watching this, guys, let this be your time to come into BTCC. And after this consolidation, I'm still watching, right? Because I think I might be good. And it's a lot of people, bro. Let me take a look at the post. It's just a lot of people right now that for sure are saying Treasury Secretary Vetson says the U.S. government is not going to be buying Bitcoin. Okay, not really what people want to hear, but okay. We're not going to be buying Bitcoin, but confirmed the U.S. will keep confiscated assets part of its Bitcoin reserves. Okay. So interesting. A mixed morning, the stock market with obviously the PPI. So if we do PPI right now, we're gonna get a bunch of different takes. So holy cow, a disaster, right? People are calling it a disaster. Biggest monthly increase since June 2022. Biggest. July PPI soared. So much for rate cuts. I wonder who Trump will be firing right now. This is really bad for inflation. Now let me explain why it's terrible for inflation. So wholesale, right? This means that 2 months in very likely that inflation will spike significantly as producers pass price on to consumers. So different takes, right? So it's if we wanted, of course, Jerome Papa Powell to cut some slack and rate cuts, now he has some ammo to say we're not cutting because of this. And this guy is really cautious. So yeah, he might just think about it a little bit more. And that's what we're watching very closely, right? We're watching the prices. But honestly, guys, we're still getting really good deals. But this happened so fast. We had $2.99 for a few minutes. And look how the price is coming right now. So I'm checking. We have a double top. Oh, that's a nice double bottom. That's a nice double bottom, right? So we could be actually start to move a little bit higher. So it's time for me to make some positions, and I'm going to be very happy to do so. So guys, this is exactly what we're doing. This is exactly what's going on. Obviously, XRP and all crypto, not just XRP, but all crypto got clapped. And well, people are still watching. Look at this. And I'm honestly, guys, we went down the 3, sad because people got liquidated, right? People got $3 long positions at liquidations and they just got destroyed. But if you're holding, it shows that we are able to withstand a $3 base. And that's so bullish. So we'll keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like it, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. So early, guys. I wasn't thinking of actually doing this right now, but I'm like, let me just explain and see and tell you, right, the latest. And we're just enjoying the fiesta that's happening right now. If you have cash on the side, great chance to buy the dip. I'll see you on BTCC. Get those 2,000 XRP. Those are for you. Peace.